Okay, here's everything that you get with it in the box. You have your big roller head right here. Um, you have a smaller one right there. You have this brush here, and you have this brush. Probably be used for getting up in those corners of the ceilings and stuff like that. Of course, you got your manuals. You have your battery and your battery charger, and you also have your wall mount right there. You can hook up. It comes with a little plastic thing there. Of course, you got your long extension there, and of course, you have the canister itself right here. And that's everything that you get in the box. Okay. Okay, here we go. And here you have your control switch on your canister. And I have it set for Eco, which is the medium one. You get better battery life out of that, and plus you still get the suction power. You have a lock you can hit, so you don't have to continually pull the trigger or hold the trigger down like that. You can just hit the lock, and it stays on. And I got it on Eco now. And you have your light, right? And see how it does here. I'm always curious on what a vacuum picks up that the eyes can't see. To me, that tells me a lot about the vacuum. It's got very good swivel. Very good swivel. Swivels nicely, as you can see. And pick it up nicely. I'm going to turn it up on high. So that's how loud it is when it's on high. And again, it swivels really nice. You turn around with it really easy. Really smooth, lightweight. This canister spinning there. Go ahead and turn that off. And we're going to set it up like that. And there it is. I like it. It swivels really nice. If you keep it on Eco Power, the battery's going to last you quite a bit. Honestly, about 42 minutes is what I ran it on with Eco yesterday. So you do get a nice a good fair amount of time with it. Altogether, it took about 2 hours to recharge the battery after I first used it. So 2 hours to charge it, and I got about 42 minutes out of it. And that's running on Eco, on medium. Anyway, there you go. I like it. I like the design. It's nice. The swivel is really good, the action with swiveling. And yeah, there you go.